NPCU-MAFFS-IFAD. MAFFS, the Ministry of Agriculture, Forestry and Food Security, in collaboration with IFAD, the International Fund for Agricultural Development. Fumble them. This is not good news for we all. MAFFS-IFAD. MAFFS, the Ministry of Agriculture, Forestry and Food Security, in collaboration with IFAD, the International.
Hello and welcome to a special edition of Inside the Farm Television, the program that tells you happening in the Ministry of Agriculture, Forestry and Food Security, with emphasis to the two IFAD-funded projects in Sierra Leone. I mean, the RCPRP and the RFCIP. With me, George Nyambe Williams, the Media and Communications Officer for these two projects in Sierra Leone. A scene of celebration or jubilation for the people of the two Limba chiefdom in Bombali and Kambia district respectively. I mean, those in Madina town in Limba and those in Kamakwe in the Sela Limba chiefdom, for them to see the opening of their first bank of any sort in that localities. Chairing the program was the presidential advisor to His Excellency, in no less a president, but veteran Ambassador Dauda Kamara.
What we can have today, and for Cabo Fumbang, we are not glad for this. For Cabo Fumbang, we can money and for payback money. A big arrangement where water land is thing for do for many years now. All over the world, the bank now they take for development. With the town, many forms in the make of susu, so they say let us 10 come together, let us need money after every 1 week or 2 weeks or 1 month. Let us give 1 percent. So they get strength for them to do something we know you for good and never money. Now arrangement that one. One time we go to the cooperative, we're up to 100 people, 200 people, and organize them. When they were in the campaign, outside the council for doing something, then they can't pay back. All the other day, to retire no one or not to banking as such. Today, this meeting about banking, and we can't tell you, because they can't talk to you. We are now listen and then we understand that this is an effort where government make through the Minister for Agriculture for level bring banking that the promote of everybody. Level will say don't have money bank they can deal from here inside the other don't know where they left for what to go for 1 more day. One, the Dromex and the Mango Road is not a need. Otherwise, it's in the area. Now we say, not to number, but then not to everywhere the bank go, not to all sides go in. No. In the whole of the northern province, I believe say, now we maybe number 4 or 5. Don't call it already looking at number 4 or 5. When I wonderful to land it, over to say the kind of come out to what we done the day before. The horrors don't show. Nasagazini in term where they work with Manatelo.
GAS is supporting this set of community banks, but how does the acting manager for the project feels about this set of community bank under their purview?
In this country, 70% of the population poor, and most of the poor ones are with the farmers. So the Honorable Minister look at and say, one of the way we will put the farmers for poverty, now for bringing them together, the one that we not some Kolili, now the north. Then we get Bo Bonds, Moyamba Pujel, now the south and western area. Now 9 districts to the cover. For them banks then, out of the 9 districts, now 15 of them village bank then. Now we own program don't support or let them make them small village bank then. Then they make 4, they don't construct 4 of the community banks like that kind with them. Interestingly, I will talk say Kambia happen for me. One of the luckiest districts there, because out of that 15 small then village bank there, who they construct, Kambia happen forget 3. Kambia happen forget 4. Sorry, out of small village bank there, now 4 Kambia district able get. And interestingly, they able get 1 community bank. 1 community bank out of the 4 community banks there. The whole 9 districts there, all they cover, we get 15 small of them small bank there and 4 of them community bank. Kambia happen forget 3 of them small village bank there and 1 community bank.
Mohammed Tijankela is the coordinator for the IFAD funded project, the body that is responsible for all rural finance activities in the Ministry of Agriculture, Forestry and Food Security, specifically Component 4, that is access to rural finance.
I want to appreciate the Minister, I want to appreciate the Governor for all what they don't do so far and for the work what they don't do, especially in the area of banking. Why make we, the Ministry of Agriculture, for being involved in banks? Where mostly for the say the Bank of Australia and the Ministry of Finance. With the establishing banks there, for the farmers, the downstream masses, want to feel the pinch of development of the country. We believe say, if you're a farmer, you need capital for doing business. Because farming is a business. Without capital, you don't get enough money to increase on your investment. Therefore, what's not a bank? A bank like a place who say you get the money, you don't get used for at that moment, you go keep up. A bank like a place who say you want money, but you don't get money at that moment, you go for gold trust. At the same time, that money you don't trust, after some time, you will pay back with interest. Therefore, the bank is very close to we the government. We don't work on several countries, I will not see. But I will also say another word, that the bank is there for who that's serious. The bank is there who that's serious, who that's honest, who that's committed. When we go to school, I become a party, where a man of a farmer. Anytime we go take a cucumber with. One day, but the farmer be a limba. One day, then tell one word, he said limba. And take to the number. He said, "Don't go party and wali." That she don't know what if you go eat. Which means you will only eat where you walk. So even when they bring a bag, and you get powder, if you don't walk, you're not going to ever enjoy the benefits of the bag. So do you be fun with it? I want more to say the opportunity of the bag for what we challenge ourselves for very hard so that we're going to get money and do more investments. Indeed, the government got a program, what they call the Agenda for Prosperity. We believe, say, the Agenda for Prosperity, the community banks, the village banks, can therefore be the vehicle for making overcome hunger and poverty in our country. Therefore, with all the banks already established, to date, we don't get 17. We get more banks now than any other commercial bank in this country.
Now, let's stay relaxed as I'll be back just after this.
Junior farmer, where they think outside forget machine or things them will go help you work na your farm. You get land for farm, but you not get the capital for buy you seed. Grass or tick them they grow na your plantation, and you not able for hire labor, or you don't harvest you plant them, but you not get the copper for transport you produce go na the market. Well, your problem done. Just knock na any community bank near you and ask for any agric loan today. With the agric loan, whether na all community bank, you can buy or hire machine or things them for work na farm. For harvest more, go get fund for buy seed, hire laborer and machine or go take you produce them go na the market easy one. What more you want? You can pay back your agric loan small and you can pay small interest or go fit your pocket. So all you grab this chance for beat their loan shark them. But remember say, where God don't bless you, not forget for pay back your loan so that other people go benefit.
This was his keynote address at the opening of the community bank. He is the Minister of Agriculture, Forestry and Food Security and double as son of the soil of these two localities.
We want to know what it means for many people of Tonkolimba Chiefdom, Madina to be precise, for benefit from our community bank.
First and foremost, I don't think that dream they be ever they say a bank like this would there today. Indeed. Ever would think in years later. But God and the government under His Excellency Dr. Alesbai Kuruma make we run get this bank here. And this bank for we mean a lot. But by nature, the bank, not the way the people that are the community they own, or they buy shares, so it become their own. And you can't take loans. Even the issue of transfer, now nobody no get excuse. Would I get policy or family abroad? For them talk say, I'm not able to send money for you. That excuse they will not, they will tell them people that abroad say, now we get bank. You can send money. If you remember me, really, you want to send something. You will send them through this bank now. They don't get for travel, go Kambia or Freetown, for go collect them. But then they collect them right now in doorstep. It makes a big difference.
Now we have been talking about the farmers particularly, sir. What do you go say about the farmers? How they go benefit from this bank?
Well, we therefore know from the background that the majority of the people of Sierra Leone are farmers, and in particular, this is not a farming community. So whatever facility it creates, including a bank, it means now bank for the farmers. Now then they can Now then, if you look at the one they will buy shares, a good number are farmers then, and more will buy. Now then more will get for can do business now.
More and more people they realize the benefit of having the village banks and the community banks. What are your message to communities and to villages who are not rich yet? What you go tell them?
One key message.